Hello everyone. So today's goals are to make acceptable moving terrains, and to program those same terrains, and in the end, fix everything with the post-processing. That was my first time working with terrains in Unity. It was kind of scary. So I started with a running field and, I know, it looks like shit. I downloaded a bunch of free assets and went with my day. This is the progress I made after some time. I created a new script, and it's already giving me a hard time. And this is how the terrain looks like from a first-person perspective. Yeah, still shit, but agreeable. And don't ask me why I put those low poly trees with realistic trees. It was free, okay. I created one more script, so now I have two bad things that are poorly functioning together. I don't even know what is going on, but I do understand that I played with fire, awful math, and need ideas from Unity that I don't understand yet. Anyways, after many failed attempts and a lot of simplifying later, I made this beautiful script. It doesn't freeze my PC, and it's working smoothly. You can see it smooth sailing through the map, and it doesn't make any stuttering when destroyed or when new terrain instantiates. I fixed this, and now I need to make this ugly terror beautiful, like his own script. Now that terrain scripts are doing their job, I will need to make new terrain because the current one sucks, and it is opposing all my rules for this game. Well, graphically and aesthetically. And this is a little montage of my next 3 hours screwing with the new terrain. Yes, everything changed its color. And this is what I wanted to do from the beginning, but I couldn't make my texture change its color. It still sucks, but it is 65% done, so I can deal with it. For now, at least.
After 8 hours of suffering and a lot of errors, I finally did it. I upgraded to the newest version of Unity, and it didn't screw up my code. Well, it did, but I fixed everything in under an hour. But, let me show you my first attempt at making this game aesthetically pleasing. Voila. Alright, and this is a finished product. Well, 88% completed, but for now, it is astonishing, because I made something that you can look at without throwing up. And now, I will show everything side by side, and that will be it for today's video. Well, for me, it was 3 painful days.